Continue to explore. The vast mountains and expansive rivers are our objective. It is urgent to start. Difficulties and sleeplessness cannot stop our pace of progress. Are you ready? From deep forest and long roads to rugged terrain, a precise and efficient smart partner will ensure your tasks to be accomplished easily and reliably with complex environments. The D5000 lightweight quadcopter UAV system, which is specially designed for industries such as surveying and mapping, remote sensing, patrol and inspection, and public security, features ultra-long endurance, super wind resistance, sensitive obstacle avoidance, precise positioning, terrain-following flight, and multi-source payload capabilities. It is particularly applicable for operations in extremely cold, high altitude, large elevation difference, and high ceiling scenes. Due to its compact and modular design, the D5000 can be easily stored in a portable operation case, enabling single-person operation with high mobility and flexibility. The D5000 intelligent UAV system has a maximum takeoff weight of 4.1 kilograms, a longest flight time of 90 minutes, a highest takeoff altitude of 6,000 meters, a stable data transmission radius of 30 kilometers, and a single mission operation area up to 14 square kilometers. It has the capability for autonomous terrain-following flight, ensuring the acquisition of aerial remote sensing data in a uniform and consistent manner for multi-source mission payloads. The D5000 intelligent UAV system is equipped with a high-precision differential positioning module with 5 global navigation satellite systems and 16 frequencies, which endows it with the capability to fulfill high-precision control-free mapping. This product has strong resistance to GNSS interference, which can safely and reliably deal with takeoff and landing platforms such as mining areas, bridges, and ships. The D5000 intelligent UAV system leads industry innovation with a new forward-looking single gimbal TOF module with 180 meters ranging, which provides real-time dynamic scanning of obstacles ahead and enhances the precise detection of small and dynamic obstacles such as power lines and wind turbine blades, ensuring safer flights. Additionally, the D5000 is equipped with forward and downward-looking vision modules, combining visual SLAM navigation and visual obstacle avoidance capabilities, further ensuring safe return and stable landing in scenarios with strong GNSS interference or no GNSS operation. The D5000 intelligent UAV system supports various multi-source payloads, including orthophoto modules, oblique modules, remote sensing modules, LiDAR modules, video modules, and so on. The platform has high reuse value and can meet diverse data acquisition needs of clients. The standard software of UAV Manager Professional Edition supports a one-stop full-process solution covering everything from automatic 3D flight route planning, real-time flight monitoring, to data pre-processing and spatial data results. Meanwhile, the D5000 can also be paired with Feima's SLAM handheld LiDAR scanner to achieve an integrated spatial solution that merges aerial and ground as well as indoor and outdoor data. The D5000 Intelligent Aerial Photogrammetry, Remote Sensing, Inspection, and Emergency System can be your ideal assistant for one-stop multi-scenario applications.